morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Have you all completed your notes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
doubt? Is there any doubt?
Yes,
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I didn't complete, ma'am. Today we complete.
Okay. You all completed.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. See, children, Monday when you come, just prepare for a test. Okay, 2 points.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll
Concept?
take the test on
Okay, ma'am.
Monday.
Ma'am, can you repeat the concept?
2.2.
Okay.
Okay. 2.2, you study and come for Monday.
Ma'am, is it workbook? No.
Workbook only from the questions from the workbook. MCQ only we will conduct. Okay, but you should have to go through the whole questions in the textbook. That means workbook. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. So today we are going to begin our new lesson 18, the revolt of 1857. That is the chapter name.
Ma'am, 2.1.
2.1 we will take later. Now you study 2.2. Okay, for the test you study 2.2.
Ma'am, lesson 4.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have a kind of confusion in the last question of chapter 2.
What is that?
Complete the following table, paste pictures wherever you can. So you send by writing it. So I want to write it.
If you have the pictures, you can paste it in that one.
Ma'am.
Or else you can draw the pictures over there, or you just write the name, whatever I have said.
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I didn't get pictures. That's why I write it.
Okay. And if you can draw, just draw the pictures using a pencil.
Page number 18, ma'am, sent.
Page number 18.
Yeah.
All questions I
Page
had
number-
sent, right?
And lesson 4, ma'am. Lesson 4, page number 33.
Yeah, I think
textbook.
so. You just opened the chapter 1857, the revolt of 1857. But before that, see, children, actually it is the continuation of your third chapter. Okay, but that chapter they skipped. Okay, this year. Okay, so first I will tell you a summary of the third chapter. Then only you can.
Ma'am, now your sound is so low.
Ma'am, your sound is too low.
Now your sound is so
I
low.
don't think it is too low, children.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Can you do some more louder?
Okay. Okay, children. So just listen to me. Just listen to me
Now
because
it's good.
this I'm going to tell a summary of your third chapter. Okay, then only you can you will get some connection with the chapter. Now we are going to
Yes, ma'am.
begin. Okay. So just listen to
Ma'am,
me.
we should
All of
note
you-
it.
Yes.
We should note the summary.
Yeah. Just yes. You just note it. Okay, children. So we know that India was under colonial rule. Have you heard about colonial rule? What do you mean by colony? You know? Okay, India was a colony under the Britishers. Okay, India was a colony under the Britishers. So many Europeans came to India. Okay, many Europeans came to India because India was rich in spices. Okay, India was rich in spices. Okay, means have you heard about the spices? Cinnamon, cloves. Okay, so India was rich in spices and also silk clothes. Okay, and also silk clothes. So the many Europeans were attracted to it. Okay, and they were trying to find out a sea route to India. They were trying to find out a sea route to India. Okay, because they need to come over here and to buy the things from here. Okay, they need to come over here and to buy the things, okay, and sell that things in their country at a higher price. Okay, so the Britishers, they tried to find out a sea route to reach here in India. Okay, and Vasco da Gama, okay, he was a Portuguese, means many of the European people like Britishers. I'll share the screen, you just note down the point, children. Just a minute, children. Okay. India. Rich in spices. Okay, India, it was rich in spices like pepper, cloves, nutmeg, etc. Okay, so India was rich in spices. Okay, and many European people were attracted to this. Europeans, British, Portuguese, Dutch. Okay, these are the Europeans. Okay, Europeans who came who came to India. Okay, all these are the European. The name of these people are the British people, Portuguese, Dutch. Okay, all these people. Dutch means the people from Netherlands. Okay, so all these Europeans came to India, okay, to buy these spices at cheaper rate. What do you mean by cheaper rate?
Low value.
Right, ma'am. Low value.
No,
Correct.
Yes.
cheaper
Okay,
means low
okay,
value.
children.
We
Just
have to write this in notebook or
Plus money.
rough book,
Okay.
rough book. See, children, unless you don't get any connection with our present chapter. See, actually, last year that chapter was there, but this year they means they skip this chapter. Okay, but if without without this chapter, we can't move to our means the chapter that is 1857 revolt. Okay, so children, India was rich in spices. Okay, so the
Ma'am, can you
Europeans.
share the screen again?
Yeah, wait.
What is the meaning
Okay,
of
I'll
Dutch?
share. So the Europeans were attracted to the spices. Okay, and many Europeans through the land, it is very difficult for them to come here. Okay, come here. So they were searching, means they were trying to find out a sea route to India through the sea. Okay, they were trying to find out a sea route to reach India.
Last
Okay,
year
yeah.
it was the sea route. Vasco da Gama was the first person.
Shreya, can you repeat?
Vasco da Gama.
Ma'am,
Ah,
in the
Vasco da Gama. Have you studied all
last
this?
year.
Yes, ma'am. Vasco da Gama.
Last year.
Yes. Ma'am,
What is Vasco da
I
Gama?
didn't came in the last year. I am. Ma'am, will you screen this? Ma'am,
What
I
is
was
the
not
meaning
there
of
in the
Vasco
last
da
year.
Ma'am,
He come to
Ma'am.
Kozhikode.
ma'am,
Ah,
what is the meaning of
Portugal.
the Vasco da Gama? I don't know the meaning of Vasco da Gama.
The name.
Vasco da Gama, it's a
Name
name of
only.
a Portuguese sailor.
Yeah, he come to Kozhikode.
Yeah, he came to Calicut. Yes, he landed over here in Calicut.
Ma'am.
The Europeans.
It's a European country.
Ma'am.
And they come
Portugal.
and catch up.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I landed in Calicut. The aeroplane that I come from landed in
Yeah.
Calicut.
Last week, yeah. The incident, unfortunate incident, was happened in Calicut, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
And it's
So,
plane
children,
crash?
just listen to me and note down all these points. Okay. So, I will clear to you. So, India was rich in spices, pepper, cloves, nutmegs. Okay. And many European people, okay, were attracted to the spices. Okay. And many people like British, Portuguese, the people of Portugal. Okay. Then Dutch. Dutch means people from Netherlands. Okay. All these Europeans were trying to find out a sea route to India. Okay. Is it clear, children? Till is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And the person who succeeded to that means Vasco da Gama,
He come with the sea route, ma'am.
yeah, was
Sea
the
route.
first to he is a Portuguese sailor. Okay, he is from Portuguese. Okay, he was the first to discover.
Sea route, man. Sea route.
Yes.
He come by the under the
Discover
water.
a sea route.
Come on. So he come
Ma'am,
by that way.
Pa or da?
DA. Sea route to India from Europe. So he is the first man, okay, who reached in India, and he landed in Calicut, our place. Okay,
Not
he
Calicut,
landed
in
in
Kerala.
Calicut, Kappad, a place named Kappad. Okay, he reached over here in India. Okay,
Ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am, from Europe, right?
yeah, from Europe.
Route to India
Yes.
from Europe.
Yes, to India from Europe.
Ma'am, was Vasco da Gama was an explorer?
Yes. Okay, he was a Portuguese sailor. Okay, he is trying, he was interested to find out a sea route, and he reached in India. Okay, that is Calicut. Okay, and he found, he was the first person who discovered a sea route from Europe to India. Okay,
After
and
that, Portuguese come.
yes.
And then after.
Okay, after then, many Europeans, I have told you,
Portuguese,
British,
Portuguese.
okay, Dutch,
Ma'am,
okay,
British
all
didn't come. Portuguese would first come.
Portuguese, they came first. Okay, and so after this, many people came over here. That means many Europeans came over here. Okay, because they they wanted to make huge profit. They wanted to make huge profit. How? What do you mean by profit?
So much money.
Yeah.
Money.
Yes. They wanted to make huge profit. How you know, children? By buying the Indian goods at low price, low rate. Okay, they will buy,
Or
yes,
cheaper
they will
rate.
buy the things, the
Cheaper.
spices at a low rate from
Rate
our
of
people.
value.
Okay, and
But we didn't know.
they will sell it at
To
a
another
higher
islands,
price
like France and all.
abroad. Okay, just imagine they will buy 1 kilo of pepper, okay, at 100 rupees, just imagine. And abroad, sometimes they will sell it at 300 rupees. Okay, so they can, so that they can make huge profit out of this. Okay, so they wanted to make huge profit. Okay, they means by buying Indian goods
Indian goods.
by buying Indian goods at low rates, means cheaper
And you
rates.
didn't allow that?
Yeah, note it down, children. Buying Indian goods at low rate means at cheaper rates. Okay, and selling them
Cheapest money.
at a
Cheapest.
no. From here they will buy at a
Ma'am.
cheaper rate. Okay,
Ma'am,
And they will
they buy at
they will
cheaper rate. They
buy
sell
at cheaper rate
for
and sell
more
it at
money.
And
sell
sell
them
at
at
more
a
money.
yes, higher
More.
rate.
Higher rate.
Yes,
Expensive rate.
higher rates
They
abroad.
should buy Angita. Very cheap
Because the
money.
Europeans, they
Rather-
all attracted to means our spices. India was very rich in spices. Okay, so many Europeans
They
came
take that
over
on-
here to India to buy all these things at cheaper rate, and they will sell it a higher price abroad. Okay, so they can make
And-
So
huge
much
profit.
freedom.
Okay, and they can become, means they wanted to become wealthier and more powerful. They wanted to become
And
wealthier
like
and more
tea
powerful.
powder and all. And
Yes,
tea
yes.
powder and
yeah,
all.
yeah.
Tea powder. British
Pepper,
Army was
okay,
known
cloves.
We had ordered
Yeah.
that.
prices of
All
salt.
these
Pepper
things
and
they
all.
buy from here at a cheaper rate, and also our clothes, silk and cotton.
And then they come to here and they made so much powerful dams. Dam and
yes,
all.
yes, yes.
Like Mullaperiyar
Yeah.
and all.
Somebody
Naked like
established
British.
by the Britishers. That means they introduced
Mullaperiyar
railways,
Dam.
telephone, railways, all this system, the English education. Okay,
So-
all these they have introduced here in India, but
That
our people suffered a lot due to this Britishers.
tokens and all. If any token only there, they will be catching or they will be killing us. They will take us and going.
Then, see children, till is it clear to you children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It's fair.
Just one point, listen to me children. India was very rich in spices. Okay, and means our cloves, pepper, cinnamon, all these have a huge market in the European, means all this have a huge market in European countries. Okay, so many Europeans were attracted to it. Many Europeans were attracted to it, and they were trying to find it. Through the land, it is very difficult for them to reach over here to India. Okay, so they were trying to find out a sea route. Okay, and at last, Vasco da Gama, he was a Portuguese sailor. Okay, he was a Portuguese sailor. He found, okay, he have reached over here in India, Calicut. Okay, he found out that he was the first to discover. He was the first to.
reached Kozhikode, were no one there in Kozhikode. Karipur.
Were there no one Kozhikode? What do you mean by this?
Kozhikode.
No, when Vasco da Gama reached Kozhikode,
Hmm.
was there no people or there was people in Kozhikode?
Yeah, we people, we the Keralites, then where we will live, right?
I mean,
Okay, he was the first
Kerala were not
European.
there that
He was, listen children, he was the first European or he was the first person who discovered a sea route. Do you understand what I meant?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. See
ma'am.
you.
Ma'am.
Is
Yeah,
that reading
he
for
reached
example?
from European countries. He reached over here.
By
He
the
was the
ship
first
and
to
all.
discover a sea route to India
Yeah,
from
from
Europe.
Portugal.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
he was a Portuguese sailor. Okay, he was a Portuguese sailor, and he
And then
found out,
what
means he
discovered?
discovered a sea route to India.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yes,
And
ma'am.
that time
after
India
the
was
He
not
had
Portuguese,
powerful.
means
studied.
after this Portuguese,
Yes, we-
many other Europeans like Britishers, okay, they came here,
Yes, ma'am.
Dutch. Okay, all
Ma'am,
these
some more
Europeans
people.
were traveled
Ma'am,
from Europe to India.
Yeah. Ma'am,
ma'am, some more persons there, ma'am, but I am not remembering that names.
Ah,
The last year it was there, ma'am.
okay.
Last year and all.
Okay, so many of these people landed here, okay, through the sea route, okay, and they have set up trading companies. They set up trading companies.
Ma'am, I know that making
Okay,
money.
trading companies means
Making
that
money.
an organization. That means they will
making
buy
money.
the things from here at a cheaper rate. Okay, the spices, clothes, everything they will buy at a cheaper rate, and cheaper rate means very low rate. Okay, and they will sell it at a higher rate abroad. Okay, so they could make huge profit out of that.
More
They
money.
can become they can be wealthy and powerful. Okay,
Ma'am, that time India's army was very weak.
and that time the condition of India, okay, means that local rulers were there. Local rulers were ruling the country. King, queen. Okay, okay. So the condition of the people means that these people were always quarreling among each other. Okay, so the Britishers, okay, it gave the Britishers enough chance to establish their power over India. Okay, very easily Britishers can establish their power over India.
Yeah, ma'am, because they are known as
Okay,
the
they
rise
made India as a colony. Okay, they made India
of as a
their
colony.
colony. So India was under the
India
colonial
colony.
rule. India was under the Britishers. What do you mean by under the colonial rule?
What
Is
is meaning of
controlled.
colonial, ma'am?
Controlled by
Control of. What is meaning of
controlled by
Ah, yeah, that's what I
British
am
army.
asking. Do you know what you mean by
India were
colonial?
controlled by the British
No,
army.
ma'am.
I don't know, ma'am.
India was a colony. That means that the rules and the laws,
And so much
okay,
people
all,
then
yes,
killed.
everything was decided
So
by
much
the
British.
Britishers. Actually, these Britishers were outside people, right? They are not Indian.
Yes.
Okay, they are not supposed to make any
They are
rules
South
and laws
Africa.
related or
South
regarding
Africa.
India, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
They make spices so much.
okay.
take
So
all
children,
from
India is controlled by a European country. Okay, it's not the people of India who is making the laws, okay, who is ruling the country. It is an outsider like the Britishers. They controlled India. Okay, do you understand?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so it was
This
colony
all points
under
are
the
in
Britishers.
this
See,
textbook.
children, more than 300 years we were under the Britishers. When we got our independence, children, do you remember the independence?
August
1947.
August 7.
August 15.
August 15,
That finished, no?
1947, we
Independence
got
Day.
our independence. Okay, till that time, we were under the Britishers.
Your products no need here, so they gone from India.
Okay, till that time, we were under the Britishers. Okay,
Ma'am, that is the note.
see children, simply as a mere trading concern, means mere trading purpose that people came over here to India. Okay, simply for a trading concern, they wanted to buy the Indian goods, okay, at cheaper rates, and they need to sell it higher rate at abroad. Okay, and so that they can make means they can make huge profits. Okay, and they can be wealthy and powerful. Okay, but
Ma'am,
when they come here, the situation was favorable for them because the Indian people, Indian rulers, the local rulers were conflicting each other, were quarreling each other. Okay, so it gave enough chance for the Britishers to establish their power over the Indian rulers. Okay,
Ma'am,
and
Kerala, so much Indian
means
rulers were
they
there.
introduced many policies, many laws. Okay, to make the Indian people to be suppressed. Means they suppressed the Indian people through many laws. Okay, and
Excuse me, ma'am.
they took control over Indian territories.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
These
India
all points
fights so
are there in the
much.
textbook.
India
And the
fights.
textbook it is there, but it is the chapter 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Is that points are there in that?
Yeah. It is there.
Okay.
If you can just read that portions,
Yes, ma'am. That's
then it will be
right, ma'am.
easy for you to connect with the same chapter we are going to take. Okay.
And so
Okay,
much
ma'am.
people, so much people told the Indian things to British army. In Kerala and all.
So these all points have you noted
Ma'am.
down, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Till this we noted.
Then
Ma'am, can we start our new chapter? Can we start?
so this time India was divided into many smaller kingdoms. Many small kingdoms were there, and it was ruled by one king or a queen.
I'm not king. Yes, king. British kings are all.
No. Our king, local rulers, Raja, local Raja. Okay.
In
Raja,
Kerala and all was
Rani.
there.
Okay, so this time India was divided into
Vaishya.
many small kingdoms. Okay, and the problem was that these rulers, here you can make full stop.
These rulers were not powerful.
These rulers were
Very
quarreling
weak.
or
India was very
conflicting
weak.
with each other.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. These rulers, they were not powerful. Okay,
And
that's
some-
also the same one problem.
Some barriers
Okay,
also were there
they
in Kerala.
constantly, these rulers constantly, always, okay, they fought each other constantly, fought with each other, fight.
അവന്റെ തെറ്റോ
Mutual audio.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, what's that
what
word,
is
ma'am?
concept after concept stages?
Ma'am, these
what is
rulers
that sound, ma'am?
constantly fight or fought.
Fought.
Okay.
Yeah, fights. So India was during this time when the Britishers
Ma'am,
came
In
here.
Kerala and all,
The time is so,
very big
ma'am.
Yeah,
barriers were
wait.
there.
Just
Ma'am,
let me conclude this point,
Kerala
children.
and all very big
So when the
barriers.
Britishers were here, India was divided into many small kingdoms. Okay, and the problem was that the rulers constantly fought with each other. They were fighting with each other. Okay, so the Britishers, they had got enough chance, okay, to control all these rulers.
Time is everything.
Because they're known as the
Thank
rise
you,
of
ma'am.
sun.
Just
Thank you, ma'am.
Section, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.